Adobe. It can be a pain to time music with a video you're editing. You may spend ages trimming and slicing tracks to create an arrangement that matches your footage. Adobe thinks your computer can do the heavy lifting, though. It just updated Premiere Pro with a remix feature that uses AI to retime music to fit your video's duration. This probably won't be completely satisfying if you're exacting about your soundtracks, but it could save valuable hours if you were just looking for well-timed background audio. The Premiere Pro update is also far more useful for transcriptions. Speech-to-text conversion is now available offline through downloadable language packs, leading to transcriptions up to 3 times faster on M1 and Core i9-based systems. English is included by default. Adobe is providing some of its customary hardware optimizations. Windows users can now export 10-bit HDR videos up to 10 times faster with Intel or NVIDIA-based graphics. Block dissolve and linear wipe effects now use GPU acceleration too. And if you own one of the latest 14 or 16-inch MacBook Pros, Premiere Pro now properly adapts to the display notch. These won't necessarily affect your workflows in the way Remix might, but they'll be appreciated if they help you finish projects that much sooner. All products recommended by Engadget are selected by our editorial team independent of our parent company. Some of our stories include affiliate links. If you buy something through one of these links, we may earn an affiliate commission.